buzzwords, right? They are definitionless nouns. You know, you just need to be a little bit more authentic. What does authentic mean? What if I actually am authentically an asshole? Authentic just means being real. People say you need to be authentic. You need to have a goal. You need to tell a story. But if you authentically tell a story with a solid goal, but you structure it incorrectly for that goal, you're going nowhere. At the end of the day, you can tell an amazing story that you feel deeply with a strong goal and have all three fall on the floor and be remarkably ineffective because structure matters. Now, does that mean you have to understand the structure to use it? No. I'm willing to bet you if you asked Michael Jordan the biomechanics of the perfect slam dunk, he couldn't tell you. Some people are really talented and inherently understand the structure. I was not one of them. Most people aren't. Understanding how to structure your message authentically along a story towards a goal is a completely different skill set than just storytelling, than just setting reasonable, smart goals, and is completely unrelated to whether or not you are authentically a jackass. Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to help you figure out about your structure. Storytelling is amazing, and being authentic is important. And you absolutely have to have goals. None of those means you're structuring your message correctly to indicate or translate or position yourself authentically in your story towards your goal. Let's talk.